How's it everyone? Shop. Hope you're well. So today I received a package from Wuben to show you. And in this box is two torches. One torch we can chat about now. The other torch we can't chat about now. We're going to wait for their launch on the 10th of September. And then we'll have a look at it. This is just basically going to be an unboxing and having a look at them. Well, having a look at each torch, that is. So, let's go. Might give you a bit of a sneak peek on torches in here. That's all you get. But we will look at this. The Wuben G5. So I reached out to Wuben because I have the X2 and I managed to put a laser through the lens and crack the lens. So I reached out to them and I got chatting with them about if I could get a replacement lens and that sort of thing, and I mentioned I've got a little YouTube channel and if they wouldn't mind sending me stuff to have a look at for reviews and that. I did say to them I don't mind sending it back afterwards, and they said to me no, I get to keep it. I have got a code for them where I earn 10%, which goes back into the channel, as I would like to put that money towards some more torches to use for giveaways. I will link it in the description. But so far my experience with Wuben themselves has been very good, and it's nice to be able to chat to a person on the other end of the line. Though it's been emails, but it's been very good interaction so far, and I actually really enjoy hearing from them and that. So yeah, let's get into this Wuben G5. There have been a lot of other reviews. I'm a bit late to the party on this one, but I'm not going to do a review now. I do want to carry it for a bit and then I'll do my actual review on it. On the box it says this is not a flashlight, this is a Wuben. 400 lumens, 65 hours type C, so I'm taking it that's the charger. They have got a 1 year warranty on them. So, small box. Oh, there's more info on the back. So, from 400 to 2 lumens. So 400 lumens, you got 50 minutes. Okay, sorry, I'm reading this wrong. 400 lumens, 50 minutes, 2 lumens, so that will be their moonlight mode, 65 hours. And they've got the RGB light, 10 lumens at 9 hours. So I'm taking it, that's the light on the side. We'll have a look a bit at that. The red blue flash, red green flash, red yellow flash, and beacon. So let's have a quick look at this. But like I say, this isn't going to be the review, this is just going to be a quick look at it. Oh, I like the boxing, the box packaging. It's actually very small. Oh, switching it on already. So it's very small. Actually quite like this. Okay, so there isn't a light on this side. Okay, so you got a lockout there. Yeah, lockout, torch. Okay, so there's your charger. You've got a little slide on the side. Sorry, this is just me. Oh, okay. That's pretty bright. Hope it doesn't mess with my camera. So that would be moonlight. And I wonder if they call that a turbo. Let me try something quickly. Turn it down. Switch off. Double tap. Ah, okay. So that's red and green. I do need to look at the instructions. But I'm going to play around while we... Can you change the brightness there? No. Okay. Ah, okay, so one hold press. See, purple, green, yellow, well, yellow, green, blue, purple. There must be red. I'm sure I saw red. Okay, so there isn't red in this. Or am I just going too fast? Ah, there's the red. Okay. You can adjust. There we go. Turn off the torch. So you can adjust the head. The pocket clip. Okay, so you can pull it out towards you. You got a nice pocket clip. It'd be quite nice to put on a hat, on a cap, because it'll be very low profile. Got a magnet on the back. That ain't going to stick to titanium, but we can have a look at the blade. Oh, that's quite a nice. That's quite nice and strong. Okay, like I said, this is just a quick view of it. I'll definitely be using these at work and for play. You can see how they go. Okay, so you can't turn it all the way back. Ooh, I actually can't wait to fiddle with this. Ah, there we go. I thought I'd locked myself out. I know on the X2, if you quick press 3 times, you lock it. I wonder, has this got a strobe function? I guess not. Hold that in. Okay, it just swaps between the different modes. Oh, there's turbo. Quick, so if you double press, you get turbo quickly. Nope. Okay, I wonder if it has a strobe function. I will have a look for that. Dog's barking as usual. In the box, yeah, we actually need to see what you get in the box. So this just gives you all the little modes and stuff, all the different languages. Okay, so a little packet with the charger. It is USB-C charge. Takes a USB-C charger, which is nice. I'm not a big fan when companies go and make their own sort of charger, because say if you're away and the torch is in your pocket or with you, you tend to forget to take other chargers with you. Okay, so you get a little lanyard, it says Wuben on it, and a USB-C charger, which most cell phones, Samsungs and everything but take USB-C, so that's nice. At least you can always find a charger. Is there anything else in the box? Nope, nothing there. The packaging is quite nice. I like it. Okay, so that's everything out the box. Just like that. Yeah, I look forward to seeing more on this, and like I said, my interaction with them so far has been so good. They talk to you like you're a person, which is nice. Like you can have conversations, and it's really cool. So thanks, Wuben, and I really look forward to carrying this and using it every day and getting back to you on how it goes. Keep well, keep sharp. Bye bye. So like,
subscribe,
leave a comment, and thanks for watching.